Okay, so today we're going to be understanding the tense. The tense are what our main focus is. We're going to read and write tense in decimal form. All right, so you ready? All right, let's do it. So here it is. Here's our vocabulary words. We need to know tenth decimal, decimal point, and decimal place. Let's go to the next page here. So looking at the tenths. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to express tenths as decimals. Benjamin divides up a strip of paper into 10 equal parts. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these 10 equal parts now can be written in fractions, and we're very familiar with fractions. 0, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, and 10/10, which is our whole. You got it. So next, if we're looking at decimals now, we can write them as decimals. Look at that. 0/10, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, and look at that, one whole, which is also can be written as 10/10. Oh, now, you know what that music means? That music means you got it. So here we go. 10/10, if you were to write out 10/10, we would have a whole. 1/10 is written as this fraction here, or 0.1. Ignore this little decimal here. That's actually a period at the end of the sentence. Don't know why they did that. However, if you look at 1/10, it's the same thing as saying 0.1, which is 1/10. Say it again, 1/10. One more time, 1/10. Good job. Now look at this here. If we were to write 4/10, we would shade in 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/10. So 4/10, let's move our screen here. I'm going to slide up top here. All right. 4/10 is written here as 4/10, or you got it, 0.4. Excellent. Let's go to the next slide. Look at this. If we had a whole, and which is in yellow, and then we took that whole and we colored it all green, and we separated it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can represent this whole as 10/10. One whole equals 10/10. If we had our number chips and we had a blue one, we would trade them in for 10 brown ones, which are the tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Any questions? Are you raising your hand? Okay, I'll answer questions on the other slide. All right, watch this. This might answer your question. So you're wondering if we had something more than 10/10s, right? That's what you were wondering? I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. So you're wondering if you had something like 13/10. We know 10/10 is a whole, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a whole. But we have 13, so we would have 1, 2, 3 more left. So 13/10 would equal 1 whole and 3/10. And you know this can be written as a mixed number. You knew it. I knew you knew it. I knew you knew I knew you knew it. So this 3/10 is 1 and 3. What are we thinking? Tenths. Yeah, 1.3 is how we write this mixed number here. 1 whole, 3/10, 1.3. Excellent job, guys. Now, let's think about this. Let's think about this. we have 2 wholes here and 5 tenths. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means there's 2 wholes, or this is written as 2 ones, but we know this is a whole, this is a whole, so this is 2 what? Wholes. Yes, 2 wholes. So 2 wholes and 5 tenths can be written as this mixed number here, 2 and 5 over 10, and it can also be written as a decimal. Yeah, you got it, 2.5. Simple, right? Really simple. So, what do you think about this? If we had a mixed number and it was over 10, we would change this 10 into a decimal, get rid of the line, and put it right between the whole number and the fraction. All right, so you're going to try it out today. Questions, post right down at the bottom, and then we will answer your questions. And then today's quizzes, knock it out the box. It's just going to be about the tenths. All about the tenths today, folks. All right, good luck. Let's go get it.
Daddy. Daddy, you're done, right?
Nope.
No?
Nope. I'm done yet. Trying to. Okay. Wait. Trying to end the. Okay, guys. Trying to end the video. Okay. Figured out how to do it.